Hi guys, today we are going to be looking at opposites and we're going to be looking at whole numbers and integers on the number line. Okay, so if I were to say the word agree, the opposite would be to disagree. If I were to say awake, the opposite would be asleep. Outside, the opposite would be inside. Laugh, the opposite would be cry, and closed, the opposite would be open. Weak, the opposite is strong. Loud, the opposite is quiet. Safe, the opposite is dangerous. Down, the opposite is up. Old, the opposite is young. So I know you probably think that there is no relationship between these opposites and numbers, but there really is. So we're going to be looking at opposites on the number line. So that would be positive and negative numbers. Numbers also have opposites. Positive and negative whole numbers are called integers. We looked at this yesterday. Place the following in the diagram. So all they did was they gave you a list of these numbers and they want you to put them in the correct place. So we're going to start with -2. -2 is an integer because it's the opposite of a whole number. Remember, integers are whole numbers and they're opposites. 4. The best place for the number 4 is going to be a whole number, but remember, integers are whole numbers and they're opposites. The number 15 is a whole number here. The number -6 is an integer here. 8 is a whole number. It's right here. 0 is considered a whole number here. And then -15 is an integer there. Okay, so all of your whole numbers, 0, 4, 15, 8, those are all counting numbers. Integers are all of your counting numbers and their opposites. Okay, so now we're going to look at the number line that's at the bottom of the page. It says, look at the number line below. What do you notice about the numbers to the left of 0? The numbers to the left of 0 are all negative numbers. Fill in the table with the number being described. Okay, so the opposite of 6 is definitely -6. 2 numbers away from -1. 2 numbers 3 away, that's important. 2 numbers 3 away from -1. That would be -4 and 2, because you're going in those different directions. It's 2 different directions, but at 3 different spaces. Let's look at the opposite of 2 is -2. The opposite of -5 is 5. Neither positive nor negative. That's your number 0. And 2 numbers that are 6 away from -3. So basically you're going to find your -3 and count 6 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's the 3. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there's the -9 that we got here. Okay. How is a number related to its opposite? A number and its opposite are the same distance from 0. So a number and its opposite are going to be the exact same distance away from 0. Okay, guys, remember, super important, whole numbers are your counting numbers. Integers are whole numbers and their opposites. I hope this helped you with today's assignment. Bye.